Welcome to Coyote Classics here in Green, Iowa. Today we're putting on the website this 1963.5 Ford Galaxie 500.
This is a cool car.
It is.
What do you think of the red lines with the wheels?
I like the red lines a lot, yeah. Yeah, it looks great.
It's got a nice straight body, great dual exhaust sound. How about air conditioning? Vintage air too. Isn't that awesome?
Great looking under the hood. So go to the numbers. Believe this to be a 390 warranty replacement block. It's an FE block. Sometimes with these Fords, it's
so
always...
That came back as a 62, 63 warranty
yep,
block.
because it's, yeah, 6015-H and C3AE. I put all the numbers on the website, but...
You have power steering, you have vintage air that blows ice cold, 390 love stage, manual brakes, so we'll see how they act. We went through them all. So.
Here's what I like too, you can shut it off. On a fast idle, obviously right now we just started it up, it's not fully warmed up yet, so it'll idle fast. When Chad kicks it down, it'll nice idle. But Holly 4-barrel, I love how they did the detail even under the hood. With the right inserts, beautiful paint on the bottom side of the hood. It's got a great shine everywhere.
Even the top of the firewall. I mean, you can tell when they did a hell of a job. It was probably done 5 years ago, something like that. But previous owner loved it, enjoyed it, and thought it was time for someone else to enjoy it. I like on the Galaxies this too.
One of my favorite part about them, yeah. I like that a lot. Front bumper, looks like that was re-chromed or a new bumper. That looks great. Front grills, appears to be original, but still in really nice shape. Nothing busted up, still's got a good shine. Headlight bezels look good.
This Galaxie has, like you said, has a nice straight body, great shine. Really good body lines if we look at the front edge of the door and stuff when you get around there. But not perfect, you know what I mean? It still has, it's been driven a little.
Yeah.
Something you can pull into any local car show and be super proud of, but not a trailer queen.
Yeah, when this one came in, I really loved how it drove. Door's nice.
Yeah, bottom of the door. There, it's not bad at all. It's got a little, you can see it's got a little touch-up paint right there. That's all that is.
I like when they painted this black. You can't see now because the sun went behind the clouds, but it's got a lot of little metallic in it. It's really pretty.
Beautiful. They did a nice job. Nice and smooth. It's got one little chip right here, D, that's been touched up. Corners of the doors look good. Door jamb paint's nice. It's a little brisk out here today.
It is. It was warm this morning. Now it's
door panels, seats, everything's excellent. Dash pad. It does have the padded dash, which was an option in 1963.
Then they added this. This is removable, but it makes it nice. You have cup holders and a little console there. Seats are in good shape. Chrome on the seats, nice. Of course, they added the vintage air, so you have your AC vents there.
I know the last Galaxie, and it was kind of a maroon color, wasn't it? I like this red better.
Yes, I do too.
But I mean, it just flew off the shelf. We had tons and tons of leads on it. And this will be in a good price range too, where you could jump in it and just enjoy it. But remember, power steering, air conditioning, and it's ready to go.
Yeah. Another thing I love about these 63.5 is the tail lights. Those big old round rear tail lights look very cool. Almost look like jet boosters. Very neat. Back bumper's got a good shine on it. Trunk lid lines up awesome. And I have trunk pictures on our website. Very nicely detailed trunk as well. Also has a little car cover in there.
This has got some. This is original, so it's got some little dings in it. But look how clean and stuff the black still is. You can tell this is very well taken care of.
It is. Nice straight body.
Those are some nice 15-inch wheels too. So they are radials. So I project this is going to drive pretty nice.
It does. I was impressed when it just came in and drove it. I loved it. I mean, everything worked.
A couple little dings and scratches you're going to see in this. This trim here is original, but even this is just shiny and really good shape, isn't it?
It is. Door sticks out just a little bit. Is that maybe the striker? Or?
Not much.
Yeah, sticks out just a skosh
it's
there.
about the same on both sides.
Yeah.
Like I said, it's just a nice driver. This is a factory line here, it looks like. See it? Same thing on the other side.
Small little chip there by the keyhole. It's a nice card. Pretty rare too, the half year with the Fastback. I'll give that to you and you can go over that.
With the Galaxies, they went ahead and switched to this style in '64. So mid-year is when they came out with the the Fastback model. There's your bottom of the doors, rust free, really nice there. Looks like they got a piece of tape here holding that. One time they forgot to take it off. The seats are excellent, original brushed aluminum and chrome here. So that's got some little scuffs and stuff on it, but just really nice seats, carpet, got the floor mats and everything. But most of all, I'm really praying that the heater works. Right, D?
Yeah.
I'm hoping the heater works. Yep. Starts so easy too, doesn't it? And like all of our cars, I mean, we do our very best. We don't just buy them and sell them. You know, wash them. I mean, we'd spend days, and this one even came in really nice, and we still spent 2 or 3 complete days on this car. Changing the fluids, going through all the brakes again, you know, fixing everything up. So make sure gauges all works, gas gauge, heater.
Yep. Glove box is nice, got a little owner's manual in there.
Wipers are working, and our heater does work, so that's awesome. All these knobs and stuff are in great shape as well. There's your little air, must be for the side vents.
It's got the old little spinner on the wheel, but you can take that off if you want.
The guys just thought that was pretty cool.
Sounds good. Great oil pressure.
Air conditioning must just be all set up on here.
Yep.
I like this little deal on here.
I do too, yeah, it's kind of fun.
Most cars without power steering had this. This has got power steering, so it's not necessary, but I don't know. It's kind of cool.
Yeah, a little bonus factor.
Yeah. It's a picture of his wife.
No, because there's another one in here.
Oh, shit. That's kind of cool.
It is. Yeah.
If you get sick of looking at this one, then you just pull, then you just pull this out and look at her for a little bit and then push her back in. Oh, my gosh. Now that was technology back there in 1963, wasn't it?
Yes, it was.
Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. Horn works, gas gauge works. As far as our oil pressure is at 60 pounds right away, volt gauge works, temperature gauge is working as well. That's already off 130s, 135. So they decided to go off. This didn't have an oil pressure gauge from the factory, so they wanted to do all those things rather than the light. Brakes are perfect, which I knew they would be. I mean, we pull all the drums off, make sure they're right. We talked about not having power brakes. The pedal is way up top. Again, all new wheel cylinders, all that stuff. If it leaks, it's fixed.
And the radio works there too.
Isn't that crazy? Original radio, dude.
I don't know if I don't know if it's the original or
it looks original.
It does.
I think it's been replaced, like to look like.
It is?
Yeah, it probably has.
Probably has. Sounds
looks
good.
Original though.
Yeah.
So they said to them.
Sounds good.
I'm gonna go ahead. No, this has got the old school thing, just like the green dot.
Yep.
When we start these off, like the Mustang.
Goes down the road really nice and smooth.
Right,
Stock
doesn't it?
suspension feels good.
Look at this. It drives its freaking self.
Yeah.
Doesn't it?
It does. It does. It does. Except for when you're going around a corner, then you got to steer it. But,
Not much though.
yeah. Really good car.
Hey, the speedometer works, but unfortunately it's got a little in the ribbon there. It's sticking.
Sticks a little bit.
The like looks like the white thing's got a little tiny little crack in it. So it looks like the speedometer will only go up to 50. So I think a guy could maybe do something with that. But like I said, classic car. Temp gauge is coming up nice.
Yep. Good car.
I'm actually going way further than I usually do, but it drives perfect.
It does. It's a fun car to drive.
High-speed braking. That's, again,
Non-power.
non-power drum brakes, and it stops just fine. Just like it would have in 1963.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Again, I'm using the little steering wheel.
I know, it's kind of fun. I've been using that too whenever I
Let's go
drive
through
this.
the gears here in a second, and just starting low, and everyone can hear all the training shifts. But the inside, outside, just the way this Galaxie drives, I mean, what a fun cruiser.
It is.
A lot of room.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, very roomy. Big boy car.
Definitely is. Sounds good. It's got good speed.
Nice shift.
Shift's good there. There again, speedometer is going to get caught at 50. Training's
Shift's great.
perfect.
Yeah, I think it's a C4 3-speed auto. Really nice smooth shifts. Good car, just ready to jump in and drive to your next local car show. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.